have tested all connections at the panel. So now the next step in this inspection is putting the panel into walk test. You see that? Go down to walk test, and we'll go to audible walk test. Now it says unit and walk test. So now, go ahead and take the tripod off the stand. Just telling us it's in walk test. So let's go ahead and do the simplex P-bar. I'll be key testing all the pull stations in 3, 2, 1. This is on zone 1. Pull station zone 1. I'll go ahead and test this, but this does a different function. But it should still work as a, like it should test it still. It's on zone 5. But it doesn't do fire. But I have this switch set to hazard alert, which will flash the amber strobe, the amber alert strobe right there. So I'm surprised that it still did it in mock test. So now let's skip this right now and go ahead test this. I'll use the simplex AP because I don't have a flathead screwdriver handy. This is also in zone 1. Just heard the carbon monoxide detector reset. So now let's go ahead and try to do this. I'll grab the hex wrench off the panel. So I just got this stopper. You might not have seen it yet. It has a horn in it. It's an STI stopper too. So we're gonna have to disable. It's an older horn. Please disable that one by putting it in. I know the newer ones you put like a pin in, but this one you had to flip it over. So now we can test our pull station. It's gonna be kind of hard. We'll activate it. There it goes. Cool. Oh, we almost forgot to turn the horn back on. There we go. Okay. Now we can test the smoke detectors. Or I'm not going to be testing the combo because it'll make the panel go all weird. It works, but in walk test it does not work. That works. Okay, so now we can test the carbon monoxide detector, which this is just powered up. It's not connected yet. When I was replacing the whole system with FPLR, I didn't have enough wire to do that. This is the module detector. I'm not going to be testing it because it actually goes into a real alarm, even if you put the panel walk test, which is kind of strange. Okay, now we're in my room. So I already have a key in the N80, which you should have seen in some other videos. So now let's go ahead and pull the BG12, which is on zone 4. That detector is also on zone 4. I also have the Spectrum Classic rebranded by FCI up there. I'll push this one. 3, 2, 1. Push and pull down. Reset that. It's on zone 4. Now let's test the detector with this pole with the nail on it. Okay, so now we tested only 2 devices up here. So now let's use the annunciator to go ahead and reset. And we can go ahead and do a bell test. Okay, let's go ahead and do a bell test now. I have unlocked the NAD in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Looks like all the horns work. Vacuum system. Now let's go ahead and get reset. As you can see, I replaced all the wiring with FPLR. No troubles. So yeah, that was the full inspection. Now I have to fill out my inspection label, and then I'll be finished with the November inspection. Also, mini system test 2 as published yesterday, so make sure you watch that. And new system test 1 is going to be out sometime, which is basically going to be the same thing as this, but not a walk test. That should be out after Christmas.